ChatGPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of language model developed by OpenAI. It is a neural network that has been trained on a large dataset of human-generated text, and is able to generate human-like text when given a prompt. Chatgpt is a variant of the GPT model that has been specifically designed for generating text in a conversational style, as if it were participating in a chat or conversation with a human. It is able to generate responses to prompts in a way that is coherent and contextually appropriate, and can even carry on a conversation with a user for an extended period of time. Chatgpt is trained using a technique called fine-tuning, which involves adjusting the model's parameters based on a specific task or dataset. In the case of Chatgpt, the model is fine-tuned on a dataset of chat logs or conversation transcripts, so that it can generate text that is appropriate for chat or conversation. Overall, Chatgpt is a powerful tool for generating natural language text, and has many potential applications in areas such as chatbots, customer service, and language translation.